How to move a message to spam on Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple. However, in order for us to do that, we will not be using the regular Messenger nor the Facebook app. Instead, we will be using Facebook web on the browser version. So go ahead and open up any browser you have and search for Facebook. Then make sure that you are on the desktop site version and log into your account. Now, once you are here, let's navigate to the conversations or chats section. Let's wait for it to load a bit. Let's click see all in Messenger to navigate to that section. And here, okay, let me zoom out. Let's, for example, choose, as you can see here, I have some contacts. Say, for example, that I want to move uh, this chat or conversation or messages to spam. How will I be able to do that? Now, as you can see, I have some chats, some messages right here. So all what you need to do is from this menu right here, click on the privacy and support drop down. And then from there, click on ignore messages. And once you do that, you will get this pop-up window on your screen that says, are you sure you want to ignore these conversations? Then it starts to explain what will happen. It tells you that you won't be notified when this person messages you directly, and the conversation will be moved to spam, which is what we want. It also tells you that we won't tell this person that the messages has been ignored. So as you can see, if you click ignore messages right here to confirm, this chat will be moved to spam. So let's go ahead and check from the chats. Let me click here. Let me click the message requests. Let me click on spam. And there you have it. This is the chat that we have just moved to spam. So that was it for this video. As I said, it's a very easy and simple process. That's how you can move a message, chat, or conversation to spam on Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.